Good. I don't give a fuck who Don Meyer's been over. That's disgusting. So, I don't care. I don't give a shit. Biggest regret in my life. Oh, God, Joe Biden couldn't catch up with me. I don't care if he did bend you over. That's disgusting. That's gross. That's about made me throw up my chicken wing. Oh, Don ain't coming to arrest me. Don ain't got the authority. God, shut up. You guys just stop, man. I got up this morning. My heater don't work. My fucking battery was dead on my truck. I'm going through a living hell. Why do you guys want to try to make people's lives worse? I hate the sheriff's department because they didn't do their job. They accepted lies. They sit and lied about me in court. Because I had 2 of them loosen my fucking lug nuts on my tire. That's why I hate police. They're lying sexist shit. I want justice. To make fun of me all you want. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck who makes fun of me. I don't give a fuck if I even make it. I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to go to heaven. I'm ready to get the fuck out of this world. I've been bullied and ridiculed. All I can handle. Crash out. Yeah, you're right. Crash out. I can't wait till every one of you mouthy motherfuckers get the hemlock. Every mouthy motherfucker out there. Every doubting motherfucker out there. I cannot wait. When your hair falls out and you look like a piece of shit, I can't wait. But you're going to find out what I'm saying is true. You know, I know God has me, but it's a fact of how people can treat other people. Kills me. Absolutely kills me. These big offices getting paid big bucks to do what? Treat the people like shit. Deserve any of this. I'd like to tap dance on their face. You're damn right I would. I'd tap dance like no other. I would. I'd tap dance like a fucking motherfucker. I'd tap dance through it. I'm telling you I would. I'm a mad motherfucker. I'm over it, man. I don't even know what to do. My God, I'm so mad right now. I cannot see straight. I'm so fucking mad. I'm so fucking over it. This is all bullshit. It ain't no wonder God's so mad. I had no idea our leaders was like this. I had no idea. They're lowlifes, man, running our country into the fucking ground. But China, do they know that they're buying that tainted farmland? Do they know they're buying tainted farmland? Because that's what they're buying, because I've heard that China's buying up all our farmland. Well, China, you need to realize, they're selling you tainted bullshit. Yeah, they are. Selling them tainted land. I'm so mad right now, I can't see straight. The almighty dollar, boy. It really fucking... runt, man. Runt them. I gave you the last swing. I had another. Would you stop, John? Whatever, John Marston, you dumb fuck. You people that just get an account to come on here to do that is fucked up. I really don't care. 3 following. You know, some of these people just get on here just to... They're sick. I know what it is. It's our shady-ass fucking government grasping. No, I don't just get on here for money, but if I need something, I'm going to ask for it. I fucking am, you jealous bitch. If you don't like it, don't come on my live. That's all I can tell you. Oh, I'm a mad motherfucker today. I'm telling you, I'm mad. I hate getting like this, man. I mean, I'm pissed today. Yeah, I woke up in the middle of the night and tried to turn that heater on because it's fucking freezing ass cold and the battery's dead. So I couldn't turn the heater on. Would you stop? Shut up, you calm down. No, you can't see my dog right now. I didn't vote. I'm gonna get off here though. To you good ones on here, love you guys.